Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about multiple bus hierarchies. If a great number of devices are connected to the bus, if a great number of devices are connected to the bus, performance will suffer. There are two main causes. Number one, in general, the more devices attached to the bus, the more devices attached to the bus, the greater the bus length, and hence the greater the propagation delay. The bus length and hence the greater the propagation delay. This delay determines the time it takes for devices to coordinate the use of the bus. This delay determines the time it takes for devices to coordinate the use of the bus. To coordinate the use of the bus. When control of the bus passes from one device, when control of the bus passes from one device to another, frequently this propagation delays can noticeably affect performance. Noticeably affect performance. Number two, the bus may become a bottleneck. The bus may become a bottleneck as the aggregate data transfer demand approaches the capacity of the bus. The capacity of the bus. This problem can be countered. This problem can be countered to some extent by increasing the data. To some extent by increasing the data. Increasing the data rate that the bus can carry, and by using wider buses, however, because the data rates generated by attached devices are growing rapidly. This is a race that a single bus is ultimately destined to loss. Accordingly, most bus-based computer systems use multiple buses, generally laid out in a hierarchy in a hierarchy A typical traditional structure, a typical traditional structure is shown there is a local bus that connects there is a local bus that connects the processor to a cache memory, and that may support on or more local devices. The cache memory controller connects the cache not only to this local bus but to a system bus to which are attached all of the main memory memory modules in contemporary systems. In contemporary systems, the cache is in the same chip as the processor, and so an external bus or other interconnect scheme, an external bus or other interconnect scheme is not needed, although there may also be an external cache. The use of a cache structure insulates the processor from a requirement to access main memory frequently. frequently. So today we'll discuss multiple bus hierarchies. If a great number of devices are connected to the bus, performance will suffer. There are two main causes. In general, the more devices attached to the bus, the greater the bus length and hence the greater the propagation delay. And second is the bus may become a bottleneck as the aggregate data transfer. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates.